So it's 3:28 right now, or 15:28 military time. I'm right outside of this ACA T-128. It's about to go off in a few minutes, so I'm just gonna wait and see what happens. Looks like that's a car. Yep, that's the car. It's gonna be going off pretty soon. Once it goes off, I'm gonna shut up, let you guys listen to the sound of the siren. Because I've always heard it in the distance, but I've never really heard it up close, or never seen a siren rotate itself since I was a little kid, so yeah, it'll be interesting to get that experience. Not sure how my ears are going to react to this. There we go. Look, it's another car. Yeah, that's pretty much it.